going to teach you how you can convert your Figma design to your WordPress website step by step. And before we start, let's talk about what Figma is and what WordPress is. Figma and WordPress are two popular software tools for different purposes in the field of web design and web development. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that allows users to create and collaborate on user interface and user experience designs. It provides a comprehensive set of features for designing, photocopying, and sharing web and mobile applications interfaces, as well as for creating and managing design systems. Figma's collaborative features allows multiple users to work on design projects in real time, making it a popular choice for teams working remotely. On the other hand, WordPress is an open source content manager system used to create and manage websites and blogs. WordPress provides a flexible and easy to use platform for website development, enabling users to create and customize websites without needing to know coding or web development. WordPress offers a range of plugins and themes that can be used to extend functionality and design of a website. It can be used for a variety of purposes, including e-commerce, blogging, and portfolio sites. Now, the first thing we are going to do right now is we are at Figma and we are going to open a content or a website created in Figma. For example, this one over here, which I found in the community, I'm going to open this. As you can see over here, we have different pages for homepage, blog, learner, specialist service, free audits, industries, and about us, using the method I'm going to use and going to teach you. We will be able to transfer the whole page, the blog, and the Lunar specialist service, free audits, industries, about us, each and every one of these pages to WordPress so that we can use it on our website. Now, if you don't have any designs as of now, you can simply either create your own using Figma, because it is where you can create your UI or UX for yourself. You could do designing, use your creativity to create your own website design. But if you don't want to create, if you just want to have a website that you can transfer, you can simply go back to files over here, and then we're going to click our name over here on the top left. We're going to click on this, and then we're going to see our name and the community version over here. We are simply going to click the community, and then this will redirect us to the Figma community, where we can get free and paid templates, plugin kits to kickstart our next idea. As you can see over here, we can see different inspiration, themes, links, design systems, visual assets, development icons, accessibility, web, mobile, and wireframes. This is where the community of people who uses Figma could help each other with their different ideas, that each and every one of us can create our own unique website. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to scroll down, and we are going to look for a website that we can borrow for the meantime, just to show you how we can transfer Figma to our WordPress. And I'm going to choose one, and I'm going to choose this option over here. As you can see here, it's a wise rebrand, a launch of a new design system. We can also see the tags. It's a banking app, a banking UI. Tech app-wise and like could also see the version history. We can also see designs that are similar to this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the copy on the top right, and then we'll be sent back to the editing page that we were at earlier over here. This is where, as you can see, when you hover over the different things, this is where you could be able to edit your web page. Now, the next thing we are going to do after choosing a design is we are going to go over here on the top left, and then we are going to click on our main menu. We are going to select plugins over here, and then as you can see, I already have the plugin Figma to WordPress. Then to have this, we are simply going to click on find more plugins, and then we're going to search Figma to WordPress, and then after that you'll be able to find the specific plugin over here under the community section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on run, and now over here we are seeing this pop up here, which is Figma to WordPress. It was created by Yokata, and what we are going to do now is we are going to click on start. Now if you want to see examples, you can click on to get us examples, but what we are going to do right now is we are going to click on start now, and step one is we are going to choose a frame as a main page. I'm going to click this, and then we're going to click this option over here, which is just a file cover that we could add a screen size if we want. We could change the folder that we're going to set as a home page. We could also add another page by clicking this for now. Since this is the only page created by this creator, we are just going to go with this file cover, which is the name of the entire thing, and you're going to click on continue. The next step is we can choose the viewport, which it is either for desktop, tablet, or mobile. We could select the WordPress elements such as the header, the footer, the post blogs, the forms, but we are going to continue. It's going to warn us that we won't be able to select the following elements inside our WordPress dashboard, which means that we won't be able to edit the specific parts of this design because some of these are not available for WordPress. So if you want to change things up, if you want to edit, make sure you finalize your design in Figma before you transfer it to WordPress. I'm going to click on continue without selecting, and over here we could see that the number of pages we have selected is 1, which is this one over here in the background. We could also see the elements that we've selected. As you can see, we've done so far now. So if you want to go back to step 1 or step 2, you can simply click over here or on the top over here. And after doing this, I'm simply going to click on continue, and then you're going to need to enter the email of your WordPress account. Make sure that it is the same thing because this plugin will send in the information from Figma to WordPress account. And the next step is we are going to wait for Yakata to finish creating our website. As you can see here, there's a series of stuff that is going to need to do, and it will do it for us so that we no longer need to do a lot of things like complicated coding or any of that. So we are just simply going to wait for it to finish, and I'll get back to you when it is done. As you can see right now, it has finished creating our website, so we are going to click on the preview, and this is the preview of our design. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to click this button on the top right, and this will redirect us to our WordPress dashboard. And right now we are currently at dashboard of WordPress, and what you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side, and then we're going to click on pages and then select on all pages. And as you can see over here, these are the different pages that we have. These are Figma file over here, although if you check on the date, it's going to be a different date for your actual date because the different time zone of the server is going to reflect here. So what we are simply going to do is we are going to click on view, and just like that you can view our website that we have taken from Figma under our WordPress account, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.